right, well, we're welcoming on JP Scearce, and welcome back to Who Gives a Hoot.
Thank you.
I can't say can now say that you officially fit the friend of the pod. Yeah. But going through, kind of just trying to see what, as today would have been the very first home game for Union Omaha, you get your first taste of what a full stadium full of fans look like. In the past, what has been your driving factor that's created success for you on opening days of your previous seasons?
I mean, it's always exciting to get the season started, and for me, it would have been a special one being my first year pro and my first experience playing in front of all the Union Omaha fans, and it seems like we have a pretty big fan base, so definitely would have been a very special game for not just for me but for everyone on the team.
Now, have you been able to keep building that chemistry with these guys? And obviously, Jay's doing everything to keep you fit, besides showing up and cracking a whip over you. But has your chemistry been building with with your teammates?
It has been. It's tough during these circumstances because we're not seeing each other every day. But what we have been doing is having like pretty frequent Zoom meetings where we're all talking to each other. We're all just catching up and seeing what everyone's been up to. And I guess we have been still building chemistry and still getting to know each other thanks to the Zoom meetings. So we have been.
Have you been beating anyone else at FIFA lately, or are you just kind of keeping it under wraps for now?
You said FIFA?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, X is is one of my clients. He just comes here to get beaten. I don't know why he keeps trying to play me, but he's the only one that I've played so far. No one else. I think everyone's scared, to be honest.
It's better to keep them scared.
Yeah.
So during this quarantine, how have you been staying sane? How have you been staying fit?
So the coaching staff has given us a training program to stay fit, to get ideas on how to stay active, how to maintain our conditioning, and been using that a lot to help me with my fitness. With the staying sane part, it's kind of difficult. I've been talking a lot to friends. I talk to my family every day. I FaceTime them, and that's been helping a lot. But it is tough without being able to go outside and play and interact with people.
Yeah, no, I mean, definitely. Last week you ended up with 6 inches of snow. This week it's 70 degrees, so it's kind of hard to plan in advance too. There.
Exactly. Yeah.
You've been obviously getting out there, getting your touches in. Is there any sort of drills that have really been keeping you sharp that the team's thrown at you?
I mean, I try to mix it up a bit. I don't do like certain drills, like a special set of drills every day. I try to mix it up just to change things up and not make it boring, I guess. So there's not like a specific drill. I guess the one that I would do most often is just hitting the ball against the wall and just doing passes like that. Just working on my touch.
Now, I got about one last question since we're going to try and keep these rolling. Who talks the most smack on the team?
The most smack? Definitely X. At least he does towards me, but he knows better. So.
All right, so we're going to have to heckle him a lot extra, pick up the new guys. But thanks so much for joining us, JP.
Of course.
Really looking forward to actually seeing you out there on the field. And
yeah, of course. Hopefully soon we'll all get back together. And
oh yeah, we'll be out there cheering louder than ever.
Definitely.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah.